Look closely at my skin. I am in my mid-60s and have lived in Dubai for 16 years. In this brutal 50-degree environment, I maintain what people call glass skin. Is it expensive luxury creams or just good genetics? Honestly, it's neither. I have treated over 10,000 women here, and most are being told the wrong story. Today, I am revealing why your high-end products are actually failing you. Luxury brands from Paris or New York are failing because of one basic logic. They are formulated for cold, dry climates, not the intense Middle Eastern heat. These products create a heavy oil barrier that works against your own pores. When that thick oil meets sweat and 50-degree heat, the results are damaging. Wait until you see what happens when that oil starts to cook on your face. Think of applying heavy Western creams like wearing a mink coat in the desert. The oil doesn't protect you. It oxidizes and literally melts your barrier. This trapped heat clogs your pores, making your skin look dull and breaking out. Your trusted luxury cream is essentially suffocating your skin every single day. But heat isn't the only enemy. There is a silent moisture thief inside your home. The 24/7 air conditioning in our homes is the hidden reason your skin is dying. AC units strip every drop of moisture from the air, leaving your skin thirsty. Because the air is so dry, your skin overproduces oil just to stay protected. This constant cycle of dehydration and oiliness is what destroys your glow. Most women see this oil and make a mistake that ruins their skin even further. 90% of women I consult think they have oily skin, but they are actually thirsty. I call this dehydrated oily skin, a condition that luxury brands never mention. When you scrub away that surface oil, your skin screams for water even louder. To fix this, you don't need another bottle. You need a precise prescription. Everything starts with a step that most people skip before buying anything. Stop looking at the surface and start measuring your deep hydration levels. Precision diagnosis is the step zero that determines your skin's actual fate. We must identify exactly how damaged your barrier is before selecting ingredients. Without this data, you are just guessing and wasting money on the wrong logos. Once we have the data, we look for 3 specific components to rebuild you. I focus on centella to cool heat and low molecular hyaluronic acid for the AC. Then we add ceramides to rebuild the wall and lock all that moisture inside. The specific ratio of these 3 ingredients is what creates the miracle. This formula is designed to help your skin survive in the harshest environment. However, even the best ingredients fail if you don't apply them correctly. Never apply a thick layer at once, or your skin will suffocate and break out. The secret is applying thin, water-like layers and letting the skin drink thrice. This layering keeps you glowing all day without your makeup sliding off in heat. It allows the active ingredients to penetrate deeply instead of just sitting on top. This method has transformed thousands of faces over the last 16 years in Dubai. I have seen chronic acne disappear in just 2 weeks with the right prescription. These 10,000 miracles prove that your skin's context matters more than the brand. It really comes down to the fact that your environment dictates your skin's needs. The quiet truth is that real transformation begins when you stop shopping blindly. My 65-year-old skin is the evidence that this scientific approach truly works. Skincare is a living process that needs guidance until the bottle is empty. I am offering a few one-on-one free consultation spots to help you find your glow. My team will analyze your skin and write a bespoke prescription just for you. Check the description below to secure your spot before they are all gone. The story ends, but the weight of your skin's new future is just beginning.